Hey guys, welcome to Ingridjoyaromas. Today I am going to show you how you can reuse your soap, which I'm using melt and pour. Already gone and do some cutting off the soap, so I'll be melting these. So I just put it in 4 minutes, so I will see if that's needed more. So this is the soap that I use, and I cut some, and I'm using 2 teaspoons of this turmeric, but if you think you need more, go ahead and add it. I think the more you have in there, it's the best. So yes, I think this is a tablespoon. Go ahead and use 2 tablespoons, and you need a more. So I think I will get about 4 from it. And turmeric have so much benefits. It's unbelievable how many benefits turmeric have. I even use turmeric for my face soap as well. Yes, so you need a stick also. So here it is. I just finished it. So give it a good stir. I'll stir for about 2 minutes. And all these bubbles that you see will disappear. So what you can use is get a spray bottle with some rubbing alcohol, and then when you pour your soap, you just spray it over, so that will make all the bubbles disappear. But at right now, I am not going to be using any spray right now. So as you can see, the bubbles start going away. Don't need to mix it like what I'm doing. And if you need more, just go ahead and add it to yours. Like I said, this is mine, so I'm making this for myself. So this is also the black soap that I'm using. I need some more. So no rules to it. Just go ahead. You're gonna make your own. Just go ahead and put whatever you need to put in there. Give it a good stir. So as you can see, it started to seal, or started harden from my little container here that I'm gonna pour from. You can see from the side, it needs to like go into the mold right now. and maybe get 4 from this. And it's almost look like coffee, but that color that it gives off, it's because of the black soap that I'm using. So I'm gonna go and I'm going to be so I have some before, so I just go ahead and melt the rest. So I'm showing you this. I think I'm gonna make in 2 more extras from the little that left over that I cut. And then after I pour this, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you how I remold these ones. I hope it's set fast because I have to run out while I forgot I was gonna do this video. Let's see if this will dry fast enough. Oh, it's still warm. But guys, I have to go. So, and you can see they haven't set properly, but for this video I just want to show you how these are done, but it's still warm. Let's see if they'll come out. Oh, so warm. You can see how warm it is. It's not setting properly, but I have to go. I think they will dry by the time I get back, but for the sake of this video I wanted to show you how these look like and how I use these soaps, guys. I use it and I sometimes use it to shower with because turmeric is so good for you. I want it all over myself. Oh, this one is pretty. So this look nothing like turmeric whatsoever. So right now it feels so warm. They're not supposed to be remolding yet, but give it a good try. And also don't forget to subscribe to this video. I hope whatever content I'm putting out there, I hope you guys like it. And I can see a lot of people are watching these videos and they're not subscribing, so I'm gonna ask pretty please to go subscribe, and thank you for watching. I hope everyone's having a great day. Be blessed. Thanks for watching.